I have to do that. What is your favorite meme? This is gonna be so funny. Oh, too bad. Oh my god!
Stop posting about Among Us! I'm tired of seeing it! My friend's on TikTok.
That is too funny. I have to. Wait, am I the only one? Wait, what? Wait, I have to see something. Am I the only one? Oh wait, no, I'm not. Okay. Oh, I didn't know. Chupi chupi chaba chaba. Really? Oh yeah, they have like super swords. I only have a bat right now. Cause this is my first time playing the game. No! Run for my life! We have to win this! No! I will fight for my life! No! I died. Oh no! I didn't want them to win. That's so weird. This meme game is so funny.
I'll be Tracer.
I'm already Tracer.
What about Widowmaker?
I'm already Widowmaker.
I'll be Bastion.
What?
I'm really about to get your pickle chin that boy. They go at collard green that boy.
I'm definitely voting for
Oh,
that. I'm voting for that. No chance I'm not gonna vote for that. There is no chance. That is too funny. But I'm gonna have to get a new bat soon. We probably all. Oh no, there's no way. There's no way this is a real fight like this. There's no way. The one I picked is so much better. Yeah. Get him! Come on! We can do this! Yeah! We got him!
I'm really
Yeah!
about to get your pickle chin that boy.
Nah.
They go at collard
Yeah.
green that boy. Oh, hey, now, boy.
You're saying that is better. That's just a better meme.
I'm an Otani.
Oh my god.
Its meaning?
That's the weirdest meme ever. I've listened to that meme way too many times. Is that just a picture? That was literally just a picture. I'm not going for that. Right. This one's so much better because that one didn't even have a song to it. If I'm the only one on this side, oh what? No! Run! I have to survive the time. I have to survive. No! I'm the only one. Oh my god, no! Oh my god, I just got hit! No! No, the second time! No! No! It doesn't even have a song to it. That's so dumb. I need a new weapon.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more.
Are you winning, son?
There's no chance I'm not gonna pick this. There's literally no way. I need a new bat. If I'm the only one. Okay, no, I'm not. I'm good. That's good. I'm about to die. Oh, I got him. No, I died. At least I have 3 kills. Anyways, what the heck is this crate? What sword will I get? Oh, I got a lightsaber? Nah, there's no way. First one ever, and I got a lightsaber.
Are you winning, son?
Yeah, definitely. Oh wait, what? How did that win? That's so unfair. Oh my god. Why cat, whatever his name is, it's Scott. If you know it, comment down below.
She must be from Dirty Dad.
That's too funny. Alright, I have to do this. It's way too funny. You don't like that? You have no words. You should just get out of here. Wait. Yeah! Only 3? You really think that? I don't respect that. I don't. No, but he might kill me. Oh yeah, he's dead. Good job. Get him! Wait, he killed me? No, I killed him. I got first place. Haha. First
She
place.
must be from Dirty Dad.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. She just better. No. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's the funniest thing we had. Oh, this is easy. That's easy. It's probably the most easiest thing ever. All you have to do is stand on blue. It's so much funnier. Scooby Toilet's more popular too. If one person picks that. everyone picked it. Everyone picked the one I picked. No, there wasn't even around. Oh my god.
Hello, how are you? I'm under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
I have to, it's too funny. Alright, that one is pretty funny, but this one, pretty cool. I like it. If I'm the only one. Oh! Oh, they're gonna get cooked. Oh, no! No! Oh, he just got knocked down. Boom! Oh no, I died from him. Well, that gives me, time, I guess.
Hello, how are you? I'm under the water.
Yeah!
Please help me. Here too much raining.
That's too funny.
English or Spanish?
English.
English. Whoever moves first is gay.
Bruh. The picture just makes it funny. This is English or Spanish. I can't. English or Spanish is so much better. English or Spanish. One person likes that wine cat meme. Oh, he hit me. That's nuts. How did he hit me? Oh, I got him. I killed him. I get first.
English or Spanish?
English.
English. Whoever moves first
First
is
is
gay.
gay. That's too funny. I forgot it was a meme challenge.
Go back! I want to be monkey!
For the rest of the video, I'm gonna be doing this one.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
I don't know. I'm gonna have to do monkey. It's too funny. If I'm the only person, that's just sad. Whoa, what? There's only... I'm the only person. I'm just gonna be running around. Yikes. No! No! I'm about to die. No, 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 no.
Is a number. Psych! That's the wrong number.
Wow.
Yo, why is you playing at me, yo?
My fault, OG.
No, ain't no my fault. In your pockets, yo.
For what?
Uh-oh. Stinky poop.
Alright, I'm gonna have to go. This is the last one I'm gonna do, then I'm gonna end the video, guys, okay? Oh, this is, I wanna see this fight. If I'm the only person, that's just gonna be sad. Anyone? Oh wait, it's us versus one. Oh, I just got hit. No, I barely even got to hit him. No, there's no way I just died. I'm about to die if I get one more hit. Oh no, this guy's good. No, he killed me. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna end it right here. Make sure to like and subscribe. And so many people are watching my videos, but they're forgetting to subscribe. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.